In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and edit the middle clips of video in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cut out an unwanted section from the middle of your footage and keep the rest flowing smoothly. First, open Capcut. You can use either the web version in your browser or the app on your device. The process is the same. Once you're in, create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the standard widescreen format for YouTube and most social platforms, so it's a safe default unless you're editing a vertical or square video. Next, add your video to the project. You can import it through the media panel or drag and drop it in. Capcut will place your clip on the timeline at the bottom. Don't worry, editing here won't change your original file, so you can experiment freely. Now, let's remove the middle section you don't want. Move the playhead to the exact frame where the unwanted part begins. Take your time. Zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision, and use play and pause to land on the cleanest cut point. With the playhead in place, click Split on the timeline. This creates your first cut and separates the beginning from the rest. Play forward to the point where the unwanted part should end. Again, stop on a natural pause or a frame where motion and audio will transition cleanly. Click Split a second time. You've now isolated the middle section between two cuts. Select that middle segment, right-click it, and delete. Capcut will remove that piece. If the remaining clips don't automatically close the gap, simply drag the right-hand clip to the left until it snaps against the first one. Scrub through the cut and play it back to make sure the transition looks and sounds natural. A couple of quick tips to polish the result. If you hear a pop or abrupt audio change at the cut, consider slightly adjusting your split points by a few frames to catch a natural breath or silence. You can also add a very short audio fade on either side to smooth things out. On mobile, the split tool looks like a scissors icon, and delete appears as a trash bin. The logic is identical. That's it. You've removed the middle section and kept the rest of your video intact. Save your project, and when you're happy with the result, export it in your preferred quality. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Capcut.